someone who is meant for you. Before two can become...
Si Fatima po, mabait po siyang kaibigan at pagmahal po siya. Tapos si Francesca naman po, kahit di po namin siya masyado nakilala, mabait po si Cheska.
Yung batang yan talaga, sa pulang maliit, mabait talaga yan. Saka hindi siya masyadong nahihain siya, hindi siya masyadong palalabas.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Fatima kasi tinulungan niya ako sa pag-aaral ko dahil sa talentado na supportahan po nila ako.
Bidisiplina siya kapag huwag kang kakain ng ice cream kasi may kanta ka, hindi siya talaga kakain. Pero hindi ako alilokin mo yan, hindi talaga yung kakain. Kasi sabi pa rin sa kanta niya.
Manalig sila sa Panginoon na talagang yung ginagawa nilang ito, hindi lang para sa kanila, kundi para sa amin din.
With another surefire vocal spin for their goal of a 7th win, please give it up for 6-time defending champions, The Believers.
Look at me, I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect dawn. Can it be? I'm not meant to play this ball. Now I see that if I were truly to be my son, I would break my family's heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
On their 7th tour of duty as champions on the stage of Talentadong Pinoy, The Believers. Cheska, Fatima, pakinggan natin ang ating talent scouts. Chong Joey, ano sa palagay mo?
Napamangha nila ako. Ang ganda, sobra. Kaya nag-uusap kami. Sabi niya, manood ka na lang. Talaga nabigla naman talaga ako. Very excellent.
Thank you very much, Chong Joey. Tuesday.
I think I've said everything that there is to say about these two girls. I just wish that someday if I have a daughter, I'll get a little bit of Fatima and a little bit of Cheska, fuse it together and produce the very, very talented daughter that I wish I could have from the two of you. Very talented. Go!
Thank you, Tuesday. Rupa.
Para sa akin, itong mga klaseng musical ang bagay sa inyo kasi it's very young, it's fresh, it's simple.